All right, now let's talk about, you got the power bar. Let's talk about the color change event because I want you to do something additionally. You see that? We have entered this play here, traders. Boom. If you have missed it, you have entered here. But I also want you to enter here. What's here? It's the first color change. What's a color change? When you get your first opposite color. See, we're betting on the upside, but red is the opposite color. When you get the first opposite color that gets eliminated, I want you to buy the elimination. That's called the first color change. My traders, by law, it's my law. I set the laws. They must buy the first color change too. They must add on the first color change. So they're buying, boom, the abnormal bar growing from a narrow state. If they've missed it, they're buying here. But they're also waiting for the first opposite color to be taken out by another green bar. What's taken out? Trading above the high. Boom! And that's their ad. So a scenario could be like this, guys. Look, enter 2 lots. That's 200 shares. Boom! Enter 100 lots for a total of 300 shares. If this runs $1, that's $300. Boom. Out. 8 minutes, 12 minutes, 10 minutes, 6 minutes, 14 minutes. Every trade is different. All right? All you have to have is a small handful of strategies like this. This is just one, traders. One, I'm sharing with you one. The narrow state strategy. This is one. You get 3 or 4 of these and you do them correctly and it becomes like a freaking money machine. You got to eliminate the ones that don't work really fast. Of course, okay, that one's a dud. You're going to get duds sometimes. But my God. Do you know how many people are operating in the markets with no strategy? Oh, I just think this is going to go up, Oliver. I just think it's going to go up. That's your strategy? You think it's going to go up? Yeah, I think it's bottomed. What? Dude, no, but the market doesn't care what you think. But Oliver, I feel. No feeling. The market doesn't care what you feel. I think. No. The market doesn't care what you think. There's no feeling. There's no thinking in this game. This is your problem. You're feeling. Would you give your life savings to someone who says, I think I can make money with your money? I think. You give your life savings over to somebody who's thinking? Or what if he said this? Oh, better yet. All right, here's my life savings. You can do well for my family. I worked my whole life for this, right? I believe, I feel I can. What? Dude, feeling has nothing to do with professional trading. We don't feel. You understand? We don't think. Thinking is overrated. When you think, it means you don't know. Like if I were to ask you what your name is, if you have to think about it, you're either really, I'm going to be politically correct, slow, or you're freaking drunk. Either way, that's the only reason you're thinking about it. Because when you know, you don't think, you do. You understand? Professionals are doers. They don't think, well, I think this is a narrow state. No, is it a narrow state or not? I think this is a fat green bar above the narrow state. Dude, is it a fat green bar or is it not? There's no thinking. There's no room for error. There's no guessing. There's no analyzing here. It is or it isn't. Today is Thursday or it's not Thursday. It's light outside or it's not light outside. That's how professionals operate. They don't think. They don't feel. They don't guess. They don't analyze. Everyone else is doing that. Professionals are not. And let me tell you something. The second they let go of their money, Do you understand? The moment they let go of their money, there's not a single thought. There's not a single hesitation. A true professional, there's not a single thought. There's not a single hesitation. Do you understand? There's no analysis going on. It's pure, unadulterated, boom, action. And you know what the attitude of a real professional is? Once they buy the stock, once they buy that Amazon or whatever it is, they said, listen, I have now bet on you. You've got one job to do. Your job is to make me money, because if you don't, I am going to murder you. That's the mindset of a trader. It makes the stock, it makes the trade the employee. It's not like most traders do, where they're the victim. They're the ones, they hope the market treats them well. So they put their money in and they're like, okay, Amazon, please. I've had 8 losing trades in a row. Please, will you, please, I need a winning trade. You see the difference in the mindset? I think you're the one. I think I bet on the run, but please, can you treat me nice? That's not a professional mindset. Professional mindset is looking, listen, you're the chosen one, and you've got one thing to do from now on. Get to work. Because if you don't, all right, I have a very, very short fuse. I'm not patient. You start making me money right away, or you frickin' get eliminated. Do you understand? You get fired. And that's how I want you to be. You have to be ruthless in this game. Do you understand? There's no thinking. All right? By the time you finish thinking, someone else has taken all of your money in this game. But I feel, do you know that a bad meal can make you feel a different way? Your feelings betray you. Your thoughts betray you. We abandon thoughts, we abandon feeling, and we just deal with market facts. Is that a narrow state or not? Is that a fat green bar above the narrow state or not? Do you understand? That's it. There's no thinking and feeling. But I have to analyze. Wait a minute. I have to check the planetary alignments of things and da. But Oliver, what about this? No buts. But the moment you introduce but means that you don't know. These are very basic things to know. Are the two moving averages close together? Is the space really small between them or not? Is the market above that or below that? Is the green fat? Or is the green above fat, or is the red below fat? Boom, go. Now all I have to teach you is how to protect yourself for the small percentage that will not work. But my point is that the professional has stopped thinking. The professional has stopped feeling. The professional is a pure, unadulterated, boom, doer when the moment calls for that action. It is without hesitation. It is without doubt. It is with a certainty that commands that life obey their will. And trading will teach you this mindset. It is the mindset of a winner. It is not the mindset of, I just want life to be good to me. No, you make it good. I want the market to treat me well. The market doesn't treat anybody well. You go take what is supposed to be yours in the market. There's no giving something to you. The market teaches you this mindset, this way of being. All right, let's go, guys. I digress. All right, I digress, but that's okay. Digression is okay sometimes. Well, when I do it, it's okay. Yeah. So we've got the secondary entry. So really, check it out. You can actually, if you want, if you feel really, I know I'm using the word feel, but you know what I'm saying. If this is super powerful for you, I got some traders that will do all three. Boom, Oliver, I take entry 1. Boom, I add on entry 2. Boom, I add on entry 3. Why not? I hit this sucker up 3 times. Boom, boom, boom. 200, 100, 100. Now I've got 400. 300s for losers. No, I'm only teasing. But, you know, the bold traders will hit it up every time. Boom, boom, boom. So now our dollar run with the play is $400 in 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 4 minutes, 12 minutes, 14 minutes, whatever. Boom, done. 2, 3, 4 times a day, and you've got your life on auto. It's not rocket science. It's just consistency. It's having the right strategies. It's having a small hand, not 12,000, not even 12. It's like 3 or 4 tactics you need. You need the right amount of money, and you need the right technology. And I take care of all of that for you. I just want to wet my, I want to wet my beak a little bit, you know. That's all. I will train you every day of my life. Forever. I will give you everything you need. You will have the best technology on the planet. You will have the appropriate amount of money. Put your money away. All right? You don't have to go to your wife and ask for anything. You don't have to go to get permission from your husband. Honey, I want to be a part of this. None of that. I give you the money. I will train you until training is coming out of your ears. Do you understand? Because you have my money. Why wouldn't I? In exchange for that, I just want to wet my beak a little bit. You know what I'm saying. My Italian friends know what I'm saying with that. I just want to wet my beak a little bit, Oliver. Just let me wet it a little bit. Let me take a little bit of the profits, that's all. All right, I'm generous, but I'm not an idiot.